Let's say you're working with students who all have their own email accounts and can handle registering for a code.org account on their own and joining your class. That means you would want to set up a classroom that uses personal logins. So you need to make sure you're logged into code.org, go to the My Dashboard section, scroll down to Classroom Sections, find the button that says Create a Section and click on it. You will get a pop-up window, and if you look to the right, we have our personal logins, which is recommended for anyone 13 and over. This means that students will create their own code.org account just like you did for the code.org training, and then you will give your kids the code, the section code, so that they can join your class. So we're going to click on Use Email Logins. I'm going to call this my personal class, and I'm going to say these kids are in 6th grade. I'll make them 5th grade. And we'll make this a Course F situation. I'm going to keep everything enabled, and I'm going to click Save. So here's my personal class, grade 5, Course F. This will take me to all of the online activities and the lessons that I need for Course F. Here's where I can add students. We have our login code and all kinds of helpful information for managing students, getting them their certificates, and editing section details. So if I click on Add Students for this one, nothing shows up. All I can do is move students if I already have students in the class. And this is because my students will need to join my section. To work, you'll need to make sure that your students have this URL. Sometimes what we like to do is create a bit.ly so that it's shorter. But I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to paste that direct URL into the web address bar, which you can't really see, and hit enter. So if your students already have an account at code.org, they just need to sign into their account to join the section. But if they don't have a code.org account yet, they'll fill out all of this information. I'm going to go into sign into your account. And then, let's see. Okay, so I filled out this section. I sign in. And it says you've registered for personal class, which is that class that I created. And I get to see all the lessons that I have access to. So let's look at the teacher dashboard again. And let's see, let's refresh this page. Yep, and now it says Ms. Little Owl is in my class. So that's not so bad. It's just that your students will need to have their own email accounts in order to do this.